3, 2, 1, start. Sapping, tying, teaching, fearing, webbing, wading, lodging, shaking, flogging, loving, scathing, sowing, rushing, slaying, roaring, dispensing, enhancing, craving, surrounding, ballooning, opposing, menacing, puffing, disjoining, canning, concerning, pleating, obtruding, permitting, scaffolding, fleeting, smothering, dissecting, smelting, sauntering, speaking, castings, solubility, singularity, fatality, novelties, etymological, accompaniment, effacement, sentimentally, vainly, frankly, exhaustively, chairmanship, clerkship, playfulness, credulousness, indifference, hereby, thereabout, whereunto, you will be able to, we are able to, at the same time, at some time, for some time, this was, that was, according to the, that was, this was, for some time, at some time, at the same time, we are able to, you will be able to, whereunto, thereabout, hereby, indifference, credulousness, playfulness, clerkship, chairmanship, exhaustively, frankly, vainly, sentimentally, effacement, accompaniment, etymological, novelties, fatality, singularity, solubility, castings, speaking, sauntering, smelting, dissecting, smothering, fleeting, scaffolding, permitting, obtruding, pleating, concerning, canning, disjoining, puffing, menacing, opposing, ballooning, surrounding, craving, enhancing, dispensing, roaring, slaying, rushing, sowing, scathing, loving, flogging, shaking, lodging, wading, webbing, fearing, teaching, tying, sapping.